Do you know what the eighth wonder of the world is? According to Albert Einstein, it's compound interest. He famously said compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Let me explain how it works. Compound interest means your money earns on both the original amount and the interest it's already gained, creating a powerful snowball effect. For example, invest $10,000 at a 10% annual return, and by the end of the year, you'll have $11,000. Keep your profit invested, and next year you'll earn 10% on $11,000, giving you $1,100 in profit. Add that to your investment and watch your wealth grow exponentially year after year. The key to successful money compounding is having the discipline to reinvest your profits instead of cashing out. It's also vital to choose a secure, dependable investment that will steadily grow your wealth over time. Now you might be thinking, money compounding seems basic, slow, and maybe even boring. But believe it or not, it's the way to build real wealth. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He built most of his wealth using value investing in great companies and compounding his money over many years. His average annual growth rate is around 20%, and he started investing when he was just 11 years old. Now at 94, he's worth $120 billion. What can we learn from his legacy? It's simple. Start early. Use a solid investment strategy that offers good returns and keep compounding your money. Here's a quick example to show you why compounding is truly the eighth wonder of the world. If you start with a $67,000 investment and add just $6,000 each year, and if you find a strategy that gives you a 20% return annually, you could become a millionaire in just 13 years. Now the big question is, how can I find such an investment? If you're serious about building wealth, we can help you achieve these remarkable results and create substantial financial security. We'll teach you how to aim for approximately 20% yearly returns by combining value investing with selling put options. Our strategy focuses on selling options on high quality, undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. This safe tested approach takes just 10 minutes a day to manage. Visit wealthimvg.com to learn more and start your journey to financial success today. Watch our free detailed video that outlines the entire strategy. And remember, it only takes 10 minutes a day to achieve your financial goals and enjoy your life while building your wealth. Join us and discover this strategy through your online options value course. We'll guide you step by step on how to combine value investing with options trading to grow your wealth safely and efficiently.